Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make drinks like a bartender. First, let's gather your essential tools. You'll need a cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, and a muddler for fresh ingredients. Next, stock your bar with foundational spirits such as vodka, gin, rum, and whiskey. Don't forget fresh mixers like citrus juices, sodas, and simple syrup. Having these basics ready will set you up for success in crafting delicious beverages. Once you have your tools and ingredients, mastering a few key techniques is crucial. For drinks with juice or cream, shake vigorously for 15 to 20 seconds to chill and aerate them perfectly. When working with clear spirits, stir gently for about 30 seconds to achieve the right dilution without clouding the drink. Finally, learn to muddle fresh ingredients like mint or berries to unlock their full flavor potential. Now let's dive into crafting some timeless classics. Start with an old-fashioned, a simple yet elegant drink made with 2 ounces of whiskey, a sugar cube, and a few dashes of bitters. Next, try a refreshing mojito combining 2 ounces of rum, fresh lime, mint, and a splash of soda water. For something tangy, mix a margarita with 1.5 ounces of tequila, fresh lime juice, and orange liqueur. These are fantastic starting points. Finally, presentation is key to elevating your homemade drinks. Always choose the right glassware. A tall glass for a highball or a coupe for a martini makes a big difference. Don't forget the garnish. A citrus twist, a few fresh berries, or a sprig of mint can add both visual appeal and aromatic depth. A clean and organized workspace also contributes to a professional and enjoyable bartending experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.